Hey guys, welcome back, and today we're going to be doing a POV street photography with my commentary in the back. Just going to be walking around, see what kind of photos we can get at our house, and I hope you enjoy this video. So, let's get started. Looking for shots. Great. All right. I'm going to look for, I don't know, honestly. Let's see. I want to get a shot of this pond with the ice on it, and that'd be a pretty good one, I think. Yeah, I think that'd be pretty good. Ooh, I like this. Let's get a close-up of this. Yeah, I like that. That's pretty good. I remember one time I did a photo of a guy, like, it looked like a heart, and matching with the, kind of like this. And that's what I just got. Let's see. How can we match? I don't know how I can get the ice. Like a landscape photo of all the ice. I'm going to walk over here and see how I can mess around with that. Like this tree over here. Never do that again. Okay. Like that. It's wet over here by the pond. Might need to do something. My white shoes don't fit in with this. Okay. Let's see. I see that mailbox looks pretty good with the lighting in the background. Kind of like that, actually. Pretty interesting shot. A little creative. Always got to be that way. Now I'm going to try to get a picture of this ice here with some trees, but I don't have my zoom on, or my wide on me, so I don't know how I'll get that. Let's see. Well, I'll get something interesting. Okay. Now I see this little wheel thing. I'm gonna get a picture of this. I like this a lot. Let's get it the right angle though. Oh yeah, I like that. It's cool. It's all good though. We can clean up inside. Right now we're just looking for photos. Let's see what's next. Nice shot of this tree. Oh, a little too zoomed. I thought this would be perfect. Maybe we should have brought the wide with me. At least I can switch it up. Get a Oh, that's nice. A little tree looks like a palm tree, but we're in Kansas, not Hawaii, so I don't know. Not sure what that is. Someone needs to help me. Tree expert. Because I am not that. Yeah, I like that. Getting close-ups of that tree. Oh, these blue things look sweet. Gotta get a close-up of these. Yeah, that's nice. It's perfect. Now, you guys are seeing it with the preset, the edited photo. You're not seeing the original. But someday I might actually put up the original and switch it to the edit. But for now, it's just the edit you see on the screen with the preset. I will put up the preset that I use, the community preset that I use to take this, or to make that edit. Here's something over here. Let's see if we can get a picture of this. Let's see what this is around the corner. Oh, it's the tractor back again. I gotta get a picture of this. Okay, check this out, guys. I don't want him to see me, though, so I'm gonna try to hide here. Let's see if we can get a shot of this tractor. Got a pic of that guy on the tractor. I like those. Those are great. All right. Let's walk this way, see what we see. I don't know if I can get a picture of that sun. It looks kind of crazy. That's actually interesting. Hope you guys like that one. That was nice. Okay. See anything from here? Oh, my dogs. See if I can get a picture. It's pretty cool. Okay, I'm gonna go to the top of this hill and get a picture coming down. Maybe we can get something on the way as we do this. It's pretty good. Here you guys can see. Last time I did this, I got a picture of this moss down here. It's pretty cool. So yeah, I bought this mount for POVs off of Amazon for only $10, and it works just fine. It's great. I'm gonna get a picture of this golf ball here. Let's see. Just get that weed out of the way. Wow, that actually turned out pretty good. I wish that weed wasn't in the way, though. It's okay. Okay, I'm gonna go up here, and I'm gonna get a shot of the whole land coming down there. If you can see that. Okay, I'm gonna try this, but I want to get in the middle, and I don't want to be dirty, so I'm gonna go way up here. Right here. Okay, let's try this. Right there. Okay. Yeah, that's what we wanted. Perfect. I like that shot. Maybe up the dirt road. It's pretty good. I like these country shots. Saw that pine cone. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna walk the other path. I see this tree right here. Looks good. Let's back up. Beautiful. So I don't know if you guys knew this, but you can go on to Adobe Lightroom Mobile. If you go to the community, you can save any preset you like, and then you can just use it on your photo. That's what I do so far, and it's awesome. I've had great experience with them. They work super well, and especially for my sports photos, this basketball preset, it's called, it makes everything black, but then the subject has its color. It's really cool. There's a nice shot of that little growing orange part of the tree. I don't know how that's happening, but getting to be spring, so that could happen. Almost time for spring. About a month or so, I think it is. Starts in early March, something like that. Okay. Let's see. I like these trees just far out here. It's nice. Yeah. It's nice. Okay. Oh, I like this rooster thing on the top of their barn. That's cool. That's a nice aesthetic photo. There's not a lot more to see in this backyard. We don't have a lot to see, but obviously you can hear my dogs barking in the background. That's really nice. It's not. I'm sorry, guys. It's horrible. Let's see. Snow's still barely on the ground. Some of it hasn't melted. It's like this first snowfall came like, what, 2 or 3 weeks ago? It's crazy. It's still here. We had a few snow days at our house. It's a nice tree shot. I'm gonna walk up towards my dogs and see if I can get a shot of them. I just did earlier from a distance, but oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys about my gear at the start. I got the Rebel T7, my only camera, and I have the 55 to 250, my middle lens. It zooms quite a lot, but oh, there's a shot of that white truck a long ways down there. Looks pretty cool. Walking toward my dogs to see what I can get of them. Try to get them to go to the top of the field and see if I can capture something. Let's get closer here. There's a shot of a tree over there. This dog is feisty. I'll try to get one of this big black yellow dog over here. Okay, I got one of her. And I'm probably gonna head towards the house. Let's see if we can get a few more shots. That car back there is zooming. Let's keep going, see if we see anything. Let's see if I can zoom in all the way to that house down there. Yeah, I got that. Long ways up there, if you can see it. anything else in our front yard? I don't think so. So, thanks for watching. Come next time, and thanks for watching the POV backyard nature photography. And we'll see you guys next time. Peace. I met her down at Aldi's. She said that she saw me walking.